How you doing today? It's Dave from Custom Upfitters, Parsippany, New Jersey, CustomUpfitters.com. Today I really want to show you something we're super proud of. This Ford Escape that we built for a local Ford dealer who was frustrated that he wanted to go out and do mobile service. The Escape basically just came with a inverter and that they didn't know what to do with it. Many dealers are waiting for their full vans, but we've shown you that you can go out and do full service, believe it or not, in this little Escape that we're going to show you right now. So let's do a tour. So there it is. Here's the inverter that Ford sends you, and that's basically all that it comes with. We put a full frame in the spare tire area. We put a full frame. You got your 2 aluminum race jacks, as you can see, plenty of tool storage. You got your Milwaukee battery charger that you need for all your tools, your impacts, your vacuum, and the reason why we have a vacuum, I'm going to go into that right now. This right here is the AGA oil plug. Custom Upfitters and AGA Tools developed this together in coordination with this pump. And how this works is you go to the customer's home or in your shop, you put this vacuum regulator into the oil fill tube. The vacuum hooks to it with very low vacuum pressure in the regulator that keeps it regulated very low, keeps the oil in suspension. While that happens, you can take the Ford drain plug out, put this drain plug in, and once that happens and you get it in, you take the dust cap off, like so. That would be under the car. You're at the customer's home or office with this cart out that wheels out to the car. This screws onto the oil plug. This valve opens the pin valve in there, and then once you're under the car with that, you turn this on and it will evacuate the oil into this container. Average time is about 1 minute 30 seconds with cold oil, and a little less than that obviously with warm oil, and you never touch the oil. The system that Ford has right now is you evacuate it out of the dipstick tube, and then the bulletin says to take the remaining oil out from the oil pan, which a lot of technicians are not doing it that way. They're just taking the oil plug out, draining it into a pan. Super dangerous. And this is why many managers and many owners do not want to do mobile oil, because they don't want to take the chance of spilling 6 or 7 quarts on somebody's driveway or down the street. This is the system that makes it happen. This is the vehicle that makes it happen. You can go out and you can do oil changes, you can do tire rotations, you can do wiper blades, recalls. You do the video walk around. A good technician, best practices, the technician still does the walk around, opens the hood, looks under the vehicle, looks at the brakes, checks the tires. Whatever he sees additional, he forwards that back to the service department. The service department contacts the customer and lets them know that there's additional work. We'll be glad to pick your vehicle up and drop a loaner car off in the next day or so. So now you have that customer that is already a pre-sold vehicle coming into your shop, yet your mobile vehicle took care of their minor service and increase your capacity of how far you can go out to gain customers. Let's just take a walk around this side and I'll show you the rest of the inside. Over here, this has a full tray system going across. This is the caddy that we have. These are mounted fully. There's an additional 5 gallons there. That's your pump that hooks to the top of the caddy. You got your used oil filters there. You got some room in there. On the other side, you come around. This is where you keep all your washer fluids. I'll just get out of the way here. You got your washer summit, you got coolant. All of this space here is for your oil. You have additional tray up here for filters, wiper blades. You have a safety net that we had put in this vehicle. Strong steel mounted to the steel frame of the seat frame, and then this, any loose oil can or a filter that maybe in a sharp turn or sudden stop would come forward would be protected here. So we're very proud of this vehicle. You can see this is now a full service vehicle. This does everything you need out on the road, not even close to the price of the big van. The big van, as we all know, are hundreds of thousands of dollars. This isn't anywhere near that. Call us if you want us to upfit your Ford. We also have this as a kit that we can ship it to your home, ship it to your shop, and your technician can put it in with no problems. Again, it's Dave, Custom Upfitters, 973-396-1333, customupfitters.com. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.